The landscape of central Spain is almost a legend itself. From the city of Toledo to the hanging houses of Cuenca and the windmills of Campo de Criptana, I begin my search for the land of giants. There is something about Toledo that leads you through its streets as if taking you on a journey, a labyrinth of historical story that Cervantes undoubtedly drew inspiration from. It was here, in the 12th century, that the Toledo Cathedral became home to the School of Translators, accelerating progress in medicine, science, and astronomy, mainly due to the translation of Arabic texts. This period was a giant leap forward for human civilization. And just as Toledo is powered by its scholarly past, nearby Campo de Criptana is powered by the legendary windmills that dot its horizon, the iconic stone giants of Don Quixote. Hola, Juan.
Muy buenas.
So, can you tell me about this land of giants?
Sin duda este es el lugar donde Cervantes por primera vez pudo contemplar esta tierra de gigantes.
And can you tell me a little bit more about this place?
Claro que sí.
¿Sí?
Aquí hay muchísima historia. Una historia que ha dado la vuelta al mundo. Don Quijote.
Don Quixote, sí. Salud. Tante. So Miguel, tell me, I'm really interested in the myth and legends in this region. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Cuenca tiene muchas leyendas porque tiene muchos rincones que propician las leyendas. Hay que tener en cuenta que es una ciudad con un pasado histórico importante en el que todas las civilizaciones que han pasado por las tierras de la península ibérica han cruzado la meseta y han dejado su pequeña huella en la ciudad de Cuenca.
The more you travel through central Spain, the more it takes on the shape of something magical, and it's infectious. From houses that float above you to the Dolomites here in the enchanted city. Organic formation that hunch like the muscular bodies of sleeping giants, stoking the imagination. So much of central Spain is like a land of fairy tale. Everything has a magic about it. Each city and village and clifftop feels like its own mini kingdom of history, culture, and legend. So when you leave with a feeling you have been taken back in time into a world of fairy tale or fantasy, or into Cervantes' great work itself, written centuries ago. And yet, so much of it's still here today, waiting to be experienced.